Ever noticed weird stutters, random frame drops, or input lag when playing games in full screen mode? It might not be your PC. It could actually be a hidden Windows setting called Fullscreen Optimizations that's messing with your performance. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable full-screen optimizations, how to test if it improves your FPS and input lag, and when you should or shouldn't turn it off. I'll break it down step by step, nice and simple. Let's get into it. First, real quick, what even is full-screen optimizations? It's a Windows feature that tries to make full-screen games behave more like borderless windowed mode. The idea is to improve things like alt-tabbing speed and overlay support, like if you use Xbox Game Bar or Discord overlays. But here's the problem. In some games, especially competitive ones, full-screen optimizations can actually add input lag. Sometimes it reduces FPS or causes micro-stutters. And worst of all, it's on by default for almost every game. That's why it's important to know how to disable it properly and test if your performance improves. Method 1. Disable full-screen optimizations per game. The first method is the safest, and it lets you test whether disabling full-screen optimizations actually helps for a specific game. Here's how to do it. Find your games.exe file, or right-click the shortcut you use to launch it. Select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Then click Apply and OK. That's it. Now, when you launch that game, it will run in true exclusive full-screen mode without Windows trying to mess with it. Pro tip. Some games might feel instantly snappier. Others might feel no different at all. So it's a good idea to test each game individually. Method 2. Disable full-screen optimizations system-wide. If you want to get a little more advanced, or if you just want to disable it for every game at once, you can tweak a setting in the Windows Registry. Warning: always be careful in the registry. If you follow the steps exactly, you will be fine. Here's how to do it. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type regedit. Then press Enter. Inside the registry editor, navigate to this location, HKE_current_user system game config store. Once you're there, find a setting called game DVR_FSE behavior mode. Double-click it. Set the value data to 2. This will disable full-screen optimizations system-wide. Click OK and close Registry Editor. Finally, restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And just like that, full-screen optimizations is disabled globally. Now, before you go disabling it everywhere, there are a few situations where you might actually want to keep full-screen optimizations on. Don't disable it if you rely heavily on Xbox Game Bar overlays like recording clips, monitoring FPS, or chatting. Mostly play borderless windowed games. Disabling it won't change anything there. Need super fast alt-tabbing. Some games alt-tab a little slower without FSO. In those cases, you're better off leaving it enabled or just testing it per game to see if there's a real-world difference. And that's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like. It really helps the channel out. Also, comment below and let me know which game you tried it on. I'd love to hear if you noticed better FPS or less input lag. If you want to learn more easy Windows tweaks to boost gaming performance, click the videos popping up on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.